you know that 90% of beginner web designers make these 5 common mistakes and it's costing them clients time and even money? Stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what these mistakes are and how to fix them. Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with mistake number 1, using too many fonts or colors. I get it. When you're starting out, it's tempting to go with crazy with all the cool fonts and colors available. But here's the problem. It's make your website looks messy and unprofessional. The fix is stick to 2 to 3 fonts max. Use one for headings, one for body text, and maybe a third for accents. And for colors, choose a cohesive palette, usually 3 to 5 colors that complement each other. Tools like Coolers or Adobe Color can help you to create a professional palette in seconds. Remember, simplicity is the key. A clean, consistent design will always look more polished than a chaotic one. Next up, mistake number 2, ignoring mobile responsiveness. This is a huge one. Did you know that over 50% of web traffic comes from mobile devices? If your website doesn't look good on phones or tablets, you're losing half your audience. The fix? Always test your website on multiple devices. Use tools like Google Mobile Friendly Test or simply resize your browser window to see how your design adapts. And if you are using a platform like Webflow or WordPress, make sure to use responsive templates. Pro tip: design for mobile first, then adapt it for desktop. It's much easier that way. Now let's talk about mistake number 3, overloading your website with animations. Animations can be cool, but when you use too many, they become distracting and slow down your site. The fix? Use animations sparingly and only to enhance the user experience. For example, a suitable hover effect on a button or a smooth scroll animation can make your site feel dynamic without being overwhelming. And always test your site speed using tools like Google Page Speed Index. If your animations are slowing things down, it's time to cut back. Alright, mistake number 4, not optimizing for SEO. If you're not optimizing your website for search engines, you are basically invisible online. The fix is start with the basics. Use proper headings, add alt text to your images, write meta descriptions for each page, and don't forget to use keywords naturally through your content. SEO might seem intimidating at first, but even small changes can make a big difference. If you want a full guide on SEO for beginners, let me know in the comments. Finally, mistake number 5, not having a clear call to action. Your website might look amazing, but if visitors don't know what to do next, they'll just leave. The fix? Add clear CTA throughout your site. For example, sign up for our newsletter, contact us for a free quote, or download the free guide. Make sure your CTAs stand out visually and are placed where users can't miss them. And always tell visitors exactly where they'll get by clicking. Value is key. So there you have it. The 5 mistakes every beginner web designers make and how to fix them. To recap, don't use too many fonts or colors. Always make your site mobile friendly. Use animation sparingly. Optimize for SEO and add clear CTAs. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe for more web design tips, and let me know in the comments what's the biggest mistake you made as a beginner. I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.